दोस्तों, आज फिर हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आपके सामने हैं। मुद्रा द सीक्रेट ऑफ हेल्दी लिविंग। मुद्रा स्वस्थ रहने का रहस्य। मुद्रा हमारे जीवन का बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है और हमारे जो ऋषि मुनियों ने भी अपनी तपस्या में योग मुद्रा को बहुत अहम स्थान दिया है। एक ही पर्टिकुलर मुद्रा पे सालों एक मुद्रा पे रहते हुए उन्होंने यज्ञ तप किया है, सिद्धियां हासिल की है। योग का भारत में इतिहास बहुत बड़ा रहा है। इसी टॉपिक पे चर्चा करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगी डॉक्टर नीता भेड़ा जी। मैं स्वागत करना चाहता हूं हमारी सेलिब्रिटी एस्ट्रोलॉजर और हमारी मुद्रा थेरेपिस्ट डॉक्टर नीता भेड़ा। वेलकम मैम।
थैंक यू लक्ष्मण। So first of all, I'm going to show you Ganesha Mudra, which is a very powerful technique to keep your heart area strong. You have to just lock your fingers against each other like this, like hooks. Hook your fingers, all the four fingers, thumbs by their side, near your chest area, near your heart. Bring your fingers and your arms near your chest and try to inhale deeply. While you're inhaling, you have to pull your arms against each other. आपको इस तरह से arms against each other without losing this grip. You have to pull your arms while inhaling, and you have to feel all the stress going away out of your body. Feel the stretch on your arms and feel the stretch near your chest area. When you pull it hard, you will feel the stretch near your arms and you will feel the stretch near your chest area. When you inhale, release all the stress. Close your eyes. Inhale at least for 4 seconds and leave the breath inside your body for at least 5 to 6 seconds. Let it settle down, release all your stress and slowly exhale and loosen the grip of your arms when you exhale. We will practice this once again. Right now, my left arm is in the front and my right arm is behind in a lock. I have locked my palms like this, fingers. And when I inhale, I breathe in, I pull and stretch this lock, giving a stretch on my arms. मैं यहाँ stretch feel कर रही हूँ अपर आर्म्स पे और चेस्ट एरिया में। ये स्ट्रेच के वजह से आपका स्ट्रेस रिलीज होता है। जब आप इनहेल करते हैं, आपका ब्रेथ अंदर रहना चाहिए फ्यू सेकेंड्स के लिए, 5-6 सेकेंड्स के लिए, और ये स्ट्रेच पुल आपको फील होना चाहिए अपर आर्म्स और चेस्ट एरिया। और जब आप एक्सहेल करते हैं, ब्रेथ को रिलीज करते हैं, आप ये स्ट्रेच लूज कर दीजिए और एक बार ब्रीद इन कर लीजिए। नाउ इसको हम दूसरी तरह से रिपीट करेंगे। अभी मेरा राइट हैंड बाहर आया है और लेफ्ट हैंड अंदर गया है, एंड यू डू द सेम थिंग अगेन। आप इनहेल करेंगे 4 सेकेंड्स, ये स्ट्रेच फील करेंगे बॉडी में 4-5 सेकेंड्स। Upper arms पे feel the stretch on your upper arms and chest area, and slowly exhale. Your exhale time should always be double than your inhale time. अगर आप 4 सेकेंड्स इनहेल करते हैं और ये लॉक को स्ट्रेच करते हैं, feel the stretch on your upper arm and chest area. Hold the breath for 4 to 5 seconds and then slowly, after holding the breath for 5 seconds, when we exhale, the exhale time should be double than the inhaling time. You can exhale through your mouth also, but people in cold countries should not do that. This stretch helps us release tension around our heart area. This stretch will release tension in the muscles of your heart and the areas around your chest and your bronchial tubes. All your bronchial tubes will be clear because of this mudra.
Right.
There's one variation in this mudra. आप इस मुद्रा को सेकेंड टाइम, इसको हर एक जन, जो हम लोग ने एक बार इस तरह और एक बार इस तरह किया, ये मिनिमम 5 बार करना है. मिनिमम cycle should be 5 times. Then you can do it this way. Diagonally करना है. इस तरह एक बार डीप ब्रीथ करके स्ट्रेच करना है, पुल करना है दोनों हाथों को with the grip intake. And second time, you have to do it this time with the grip. And feel the stretch again on the shoulders. This time, the upper hand will give the stretch on the shoulder. Also, and the below hand will give the stretch in the elbows and little part of the lungs at the back. Inhale time 4 seconds, hold time 4 to 5 seconds. Release all the stress and tension around your chest area, heart muscles, your bronchial tubes, and exhale slowly and release the grip. Your exhale time should be double than the inhale time. Same way we change the position of the arms and pull the grip. See the stretch in your left shoulder now. Pull the right hand down. Feel the stretch on your lungs. Hold the breath for 4 to 5 seconds. This is clearing your heart area muscles. This is clearing your chest area and your bronchial tubes, allowing and expanding your chest to inhale more oxygen, keeping your chest area clean and respiratory system clean. Release slowly and sit for a few moments and relax. Just take few deep breaths and relax. You can say an affirmation while doing this mudra. I'm open to receive and meet new people, new energies, with love, grace, and compassion, with courage and confidence. हमको ये अफर्मेशन बोलते हुए ये मुद्रा करना है कि मैं जो भी लोग मेरी लाइफ में आते हैं मैं उनको एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ या करती हूँ with love, compassion, courage and confidence. Heart mudra is a relationship mudra. जिनका हार्ट मुद्रा ब्लॉक्ड होता है, हार्ट चक्र ब्लॉक्ड होता है, उनको रिलेशनशिप्स में प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो काफी लोग पास 2 शोज में हमको रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पूछ रहे थे. लक्ष्मण, we are supposed to do this mudra and be open and accept people. हम लोग नेक्स्ट मुद्रा की तरफ जाएंगे, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया है. उसको उषा मुद्रा बोलते हैं. उषा मुद्रा इज वेरी सिंपल. You have to lock your hands like this with the thumb over each other. अगर मेल्स हैं तो राइट थंब ओवर द लेफ्ट थंब, फीमेल्स को लेफ्ट थंब ओवर द राइट थंब, जैसा मैंने किया है. If it is visible clearly, I hope I'm visible clearly. Females do left thumb over the right thumb, males will do right thumb over the left thumb. और ऐसे उसको पकड़ के 5 minutes के लिए just hold this mudra like this and deep breathe. This is for accepting changes in our life. हम लोग किसी भी उम्र के हैं, ऑलवेज लाइफ अनवील्स लॉट ऑफ मिस्ट्रीज और चेंजेस होती रहती है हमारी लाइफ में। कभी भी एक समान जिंदगी किसी की भी नहीं हुई है ये पूरी लाइफ में। वी डोंट लिव अ लाइफ ऑफ similarity or stability all our life. Everybody has to face changes. This mudra allows us to accept changes. जैसे ये 3 महीने में हम लोग ने बहुत सारी उथल पुथल देखी, बहुत चेंजेस देखे। Nobody had dreamt that ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है और हम लोग को ये चेंज से तकलीफें हुई हैं। तो हम लोग जैसे इजीली अडेप्टेबल हो जाएंगे इस चेंज के साथ में, ये मुद्रा हमको हेल्प करती है उसके लिए। So just sit like this for 5 minutes and accept changes and just pray and be grateful. This mudra is also very good for mental alertness. इससे mentally sharp होते हैं लोग, alertness आ जाती है and it activates our brain area. It is good for a wake up call also. जो लोग लेथार्जिक हो जाते हैं, काफी लोग अभी ये 3 महीने में घर बैठे बैठे थोड़ी लेथार्जी हो गई होगी और सुबह उठने का आलस आता है। सो वो लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अलार्म रख के भी उठा नहीं जा रहा है 7 या 8 बजे, तो दे हैव टू जस्ट स्ट्रेच दिस लिटिल मोर। ये मुद्रा करके उनके हाथों के ऊपर, हेड के ऊपर ऐसे हाथ स्ट्रेच करना है, एल्बोज पिलो पे रखना, स्ट्रेच करना है, पैर के एंकल के बोन्स घसने हैं थोड़े और उनको मन में सोचना है कि बहुत सुंदर दिन है आज और मैं सनलाइट के सामने बैठा हुआ हूं या बैठी हुई। आई एम सिटिंग, जस्ट दे शुड इमेजिन दे आर सिटिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ सनलाइट, इन द ब्राइट सनलाइट, सनराइज, एंड इट इज अ वेरी प्लेजरेबल डे। एंथुसियास्टिक के साथ में हम लोग उठ के हमारे गोल्स अचीव कर रहे हैं। They have to do this affirmation along with this mudra that I'm enthusiastic and I'm going to wake up to achieve all my goals today passionately with full energy. और उनका ये 4 या 5 दिन के प्रैक्टिस के बाद वो लोग डिफरेंट पीपल होंगे, they will have much more energy to work and they will definitely achieve their goals if they continue doing this. Then we go to motion mudra, which is very powerful. People, if you learn to do this mudra regularly, I taught my son today, and today he's telling in 5 minutes, Mom, I'm feeling really energetic. So you can believe the power of this mudras. It's a bit difficult mudra, लेकिन not difficult to learn this mudra. आपका लेफ्ट हैंड के मिडिल फिंगर्स, ये इसलिए मैं दिखा रही हूँ पहले लेफ्ट हैंड, because you don't have to change this. In this hand there will be changes after a while. First variation is first 2 fingers, that is the fire finger and the sky energy, akash energy or heavenly energy with the fire energy. We are going to sit like this. This activates our abdominal area, our spleen, gallbladder, liver area and stomach area. This area helps you in digestion and secretion. It detoxifies your body and it's a very, very powerful mudra to energize your body because it converts your food absorption into energy through your chakras and meridian channels, through your cells and blood vessels. It's also called the pumping mudra because it pumps energy to your body. So friends, if you can see this clearly, I have used my index finger, middle finger and thumb of my right hand. The other 2 fingers are stretched out, and of my left hand, the middle finger, ring finger and thumb, and the first and the last finger is stretched out. Just deep breathe with the affirmation that I am inviting all the good energy in my body and releasing all the energies that I don't require. जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए वो मैं बाहर फेंक रहा हूँ या फेंक रही हूँ। जो अच्छी एनर्जी मुझे चाहिए वो मेरे पास आ रही है। और डीप ब्रीदिंग करते हुए थोड़े सांस अंदर रोकते हुए 5 सेकेंड हम लोग ब्रीद आउट 8 सेकेंड करेंगे। ये मुद्रा हमारी स्टमक की एनर्जी को या स्वादिष्ठान चक्र को एक्टिवेट करती है और एनर्जी अपवर्ड्स लाती है और ये सारे बॉडी को इमीडिएटली एनर्जाइज कर देता है। दिस इज कॉल्ड पोषण मुद्रा। पोषण इज इन हिंदी गिविंग एनर्जी और एक्टिवेटिंग योर एनर्जी लेवल्स इन योर बॉडी, filling your body with nutrition. It's called Poshan Mudra. And it activates your abdominal area, your gallbladder, liver, spleen, stomach area, bringing your energy upwards and energizing your all other chakras, other body parts till your head. So it's very important to do this mudra for 5 minutes every day, whatever time, whatever place, whatever position you are in, standing, walking, keep doing these mudras. The second variation of this mudras, the left hand remains the same, the right hand, first 2 fingers are now stretched out and the last 2 fingers are active. The water energy and the earth energy. We are activating the water energy in our stomach and the earth energy. This will ground the digestion of your body and detoxify your body. This is very important mudra because it's balancing all the 5 elements in your body. The fire energy, the water energy, the earth energy, the air energy, and the sky energy. That is the heavenly energy, the cosmic powers. So do this at least 5 to 10 minutes every day in both the variations. First variation with first 2 fingers, index and middle finger. Second variation with the ring finger and the last finger. Be in the position. These gestures help manage all the 5 elements in our body and balance them. Keep our mental, emotional, mental, physical energies balanced. Every deep breathe, hold your breath for 5 to 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 7 to 8 seconds. Every time you inhale, there should be a holding time of 5 seconds so that your breath is spread evenly in all parts of your body and absorbed. And the oxygen is meeting with your body energy and creating energy for you. And when you exhale, imagine you're exhaling all the stress, all the loneliness, all the indigestion, all the issues of stomach, spleen, gallbladder, or liver. Throwing it out. Everybody has to practice this mudra for 10 minutes every day. And they will see the new energy in their body to do work. No problem with indigestion because we are not exercising much nowadays. But these mudras work best with good nutritive food, good meals, hot water, and at least walking if not any other exercise. And if you can't go for a walk, just work out for half an hour to 40 minutes. Now fourth mudra we will do is bronchial mudra. And there was a question of loneliness. Most of the respiratory issues happen to our body because of our sadness, loneliness, griefs and sorrows. Because we are not focused on our breathing patterns, our sensitivity is hyper, our mental stability is low, and this brings our respiratory issues in our body. So first of all, we have to start talking to ourselves with affirmations that this is a temporary case, this is a temporary time, it will pass away. If this loneliness is due to your relationship issues, tell कि nothing stays forever and they were not for you. We have discussed this relationship issues in our past videos, you can check them. That lot of karmic issues bring relationship problems. There are genetic issues that bring relationship problems. There are sanskars or behavioral patterns that bring relationship issues. And respiratory problems are due to your own issues. Sometimes your negative thinking, sometimes your lack of care, self-care, and lack of taking care of your own self, devoting time to your own mind, body, and soul. So you have to first understand what you're doing. Why is this issue? Go back, self-talk, and find out why is this breathing problem? Why is this grief and sorrow inside you? Why is this loneliness inside you? Identify. Once you identify, accept it. Say, yes, I have this issue. And if it is because of some negative people, detox yourself. We have always been discussing this. Stay away from toxic things, toxic drinking, negative thinking, toxic people, toxic environment around you. Put yourself into safety and security. And from there, take yourself with the help of universal energies. So, our bronchial mudra is not so difficult and not so easy. We leave the first finger out. The middle finger is with the thumb. The second finger is at the middle of thumb. And the third finger is at the bottom of the thumb. I hope I'm visible. Lakshman, is this visible?
Yes, ma'am, you are visible, no problem. Please carry on.
So this is called bronchial mudra. This will help you resolve your sadness and loneliness problem with the affirmation that I invite and strengthen my mind, body, and soul with the cosmic universal energies. I leave with my exhale. When you exhale in this mudra, I leave out all the stressful relationships. I leave out toxic people. I leave out toxic environment. I leave out all my negative thinking. Whether it's my samskara, whether it's downloaded in my DNA, and whether it's my health issues, which is neglected. So I'm going to attend to my health issues with good food, nutritive hot meals, hot water, with reading good positive mental attitude books, by exercising half an hour to 1 hour daily, by listening to soft, nice music, by meditating half an hour daily with home chants, by chanting any positive mantras, powerful Surya mantras, or Mahamrityunjay mantra, Gayatri mantra. And I'm going to do this bronchial mudra to invite good cosmic energy and replace the negative energy in my mind, body, and soul. We can treat acute asthma with this mudra, doing 5 to 7 minutes, and then following this mudra, we have to do asthma mudra. There is another mudra which is asthma mudra. We are doing asthma mudra now by joining our middle finger's nail and the last one, fourth finger, stretching out the remaining fingers with the affirmation that I'm happy soul. I have everything that I deserve I get whatever I ask from the universe, and I release what is not mine and what I do not require. This is Asthma Mudra. In cases of acute asthma, first do Bronchial Mudra, which is middle finger at the thumb, ring finger at the middle of the thumb, and little finger at the bottom of the thumb for 5 minutes with deep breaths. Do deep breathing, deep breaths inside your body, holding the breath for 5 to 10 seconds and releasing slowly out, releasing all the stress and negative thoughts. You have to accept the fact that we have come alone and we will be going back to the universe alone in some different form. Our body and name is a temporary factor in this life's journey. I have to go empty. When I have come, I come empty. So do not fill your bags with any negative thinking of grudges, hatred, enmity. Allow people to explain and listen to them and make yourself heard. If some people think they don't want to hear you, they are not for you. Release all the negative energy when you exhale after 5 minutes. Start doing Asthma Mudra and invite all the universal energies inside your body. When you breathe deeply in Asthma Mudra, take the breath till the bottom of your legs. Imagine yourself standing in a great vast expanse of land like an ocean in front of you. When you exhale, bring the breath from the bottom to the top and from top to bottom again. Imagine yourself at the peak of the mountain. When you inhale, this expanse is smaller, and as you exhale, let it become wider and wider and wider. You can imagine yourself in a huge green park. It's a small park when you inhale, and this parks become wider and wider and wider when you exhale. When you inhale, the energy from the floor is going up till the head, and when you exhale, the energy from the head is going back to the floor, to the universe. This will balance your mind, body and soul. Your mental peace will come back. Your acceptance will come back. That we are a very small part of the universe. Your emotions will balance and your breathing will balance. Do this mudra for at least 15 minutes every day and 3 to 4 times a day. I promise you, you will not require any medicines, because ultimately medicines are chemicals and they will destroy your immune system. So if you have just begun respiratory issues or breathing issues, practice this mudras for 10 minutes, both the mudras, Bronchial Mudra, which is this mudra, and This is Asthma Mudra. Do this for 10 minutes.